Hey everyone! Today I will be demonstrating how to install our brand new Prestige shift knob. Included in the package, you will receive a threaded adapter and a 16mm hex nut. For this install, you will need an adjustable wrench and a 16mm socket. The first thing you need to do is thread in your hex nut. Next, grab your adapter and thread it in as well. Take your adjustable wrench and secure the bottom hex nut. After, you'll take your socket and tighten both the hex nut and the adapter together. Next, you're going to test the alignment of the engraving. Most likely, you won't be able to get it aligned first try. So in this case, ours is kind of like facing vertically. So what we need to do is turn it counterclockwise. Grab your adjustable wrench and spin the bottom hex counterclockwise and adjust according to how much you need to get the engraving aligned. So let's try right there. And this actually looks pretty good. Once you have everything aligned properly, just make sure that it's secured tightly and you're good to go.